Hello, boys and girls. Tomorrow we're going to be reading a story about how animals communicate and how that's different from how we communicate. So today we're going to read kind of a silly story about animals communicating. This is called Click, Clack, Peep. Click, clack, peep. Farmer Brown stuck his head out the window. The farm was too quiet. Everyone was watching the egg. Not a moo, not a click, not an oink, not a clack, not a baa, not a cluck, not a thing. Then a crack. Inside the barn, everyone gathered closer. Moo, crack, baa, crack, oink, crack, cluck, crack. Moo, crack, baa, crack, oink, crack. Baby duck. Baby duck laughed, peep, 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 and laughed again. Baby duck waddled, peep, 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 and waddled again. Baby duck played, peep, 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 and played again. The animals yawned, peep, 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 and yawned again. The chickens sang a lullaby, but Baby duck would not sleep. Peep, peep, peep. The cows lowered the shades, but Baby duck would not sleep. Peep, peep, peep. The sheep knitted a blanket, but Baby duck would not sleep. Peep, peep, peep. The chickens went outside to get some sleep. The cows went outside to get some sleep. The sheep went outside to get some sleep. The mice went outside to get some sleep. Duck took off his headphones. Beep, beep, beep. He put Baby duck into a blanket. Beep, beep, beep. He covered her with the blanket. Beep, beep, beep. He carried her outside. Beep, beep, beep. He climbed onto the tractor. Beep, beep, beep. He buckled up the seat belts. Beep, beep, beep. And backed out of the barnyard. Beep, beep, beep. He drove back and forth. Beep, beep, beep. Back and forth. Beep, beep, beep. Back and forth. Beep, beep. Sleep. Farmer Brown opens his eyes after a good night's sleep. Not a moo, not a cluck, not a clack. Not a peep. Alright, so Baby duck, she communicated by her peeping. The other animals communicated by their moos and their baas and their clucks. We're going to find out a little bit more how different animals communicate, what kind of sounds they make. I'll talk to you then. Bye.